visiting today Malden, Massachusetts. And we're here on Salem Street, which right here in the city. And we found this really cool plaque that we think we might point out to you. Here stood the very first Baptist meeting church, 1804 to 1843. Boy, you never know what you're gonna find when you visit different cities and towns throughout New England. Let's check out some really cool spots. Hello everybody, right now we're here in Malden, Massachusetts, standing in front of America's largest train store. I'm talking about REO Supply Company. It's really awesome to visit. They have every scale available. Plus, on the second floor, they have an O-scale railroad layout that's open on Saturdays only. Let's go in and check it out. Really fantastic place. It's known as America's largest train store. And with me is one of the associates here.
My name is James. Nice to meet you.
Can you tell us a little bit about the store and the company?
Well, we've been at this location since 1984. We've been around since 1972. We actually do all sizes of trains, HO, gauge, and scale. We try to cover a little bit for everyone. We're friendly. Staff's a family-owned business.
And I understand you have a really fantastic, awesome layout up here. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
It's a operating layout. We actually have 6 trains running on it. 3 O gauge, 3 G gauge. We run it during the holiday seasons, and when we're open on Saturdays, we'll run it. It's hard to explain, just for them to be able to see it.
And right now within the store, they have actually up above on the ceiling here, they have a couple of
those are
G-scale trains running above on track here. And actually one of them has actually sound running, and as you came in, is blowing its horn and making all types of bell noises. It's really cool hearing as you're walking around the store, hearing, when they're over your head, hearing all the bells and whistles and everything. So this is a big candy shop for those who love trains and want to get into the model railroad hobby. These guys are very knowledgeable staff that they have, and they'll be happy to help you with whatever you want to help, with the building the first layout to those who are advanced in the hobby. Check it out here at Artsell Charles Hobby Store.